IDBC. Okay. What we'll do, we'll just open the
Sir,
problem statement.
can I stop my share?
Yeah, please stop sharing. See how to go about for the IDBC Bank project. What you do, first you create a interface. You can have an interface called bank interface. Is it okay, guys? Next thing, for that interface, you can have a saving bank account. You can have a saving bank class implementing that bank interface. You can have a saving account and pay account class, which is implementing the bank interface. Now, in the bank interface, you are going to have the declaration of the common functions, which would be there in the saving account as well as in the bank account. So what are in a bank, you can have a deposit function, you can have a withdraw function, you can have a transfer function. These are the things you are going to use as a declaration in the bank interface, and these you are going to implement for both the classes, which is saving and pay account, savings account and pay account, for which is implementing that interface, and then you are going to override it. Let's see. We'll go for this one. 1 second. What we'll do. IDBC Bank, no. Yeah, it is MC5. MC5. We'll go to this problem statement. If I quotes 3. PC2, 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 MC1. Yeah, IDBC Bank. See, what is your requirement? Can anybody read this out? What is the requirement? Any one of you?
Save account from this.
Yeah. From there are from here you read it out. This is the requirement. Okay.
Yeah, there are two types of accounts that are provided. Save account acts like a normal single owner savings bank account. Pay account to make bill payments and online shopping, etc. The software team at IDBC needs to build an application that will help customers to open the save and pay bank account. Features of the bank accounts. For save account, must have 12-digit auto-generated account number. Interest is calculated on the available balance and credited into the account on yearly basis. The interest rate for customer is 2.5%. Formula for calculate interest, total balance into interest rate divided by 100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so see, first what I said, create a account class, account interface. Okay, create an account interface. Then you create a save account class and pay account class. Save account will implement the account interface. Pay account also will implement the account interface. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, what you do, both the save account and pay account should have a common functionality. Must create a 12-digit auto-generated account number. Okay. So what you can do, 12-digit auto-generated account number, you can have a common function defined in the account interface, and that you are going to implement in both the save account and pay account. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, within the save account, what you do after generating the 12-digit account number, what you should do in save account? In save account, you should have a what is it called? Interest. In the save account, there should be features of the bank save account must 12-digit interest. Yeah, in the save account, there should be a function which is going to calculate the interest rate, interest 2.5. So that means 2.5% of the balance would be get added with the old balance yearly basis. So whenever the you have a 10,000 rupees in your bank for 1 year, 2.5% of the 10,000 means 250 rupees will be get added with the 10,000, and after 1 year it will be 10,250 rupees. Clear? So that is a one functionality you have to add it in the save account class. Okay. In pay account, what you do? Same. You are going to generate a 12-digit number. No. So for this, there is no interest calculation. Okay. So that means interest calculation is a function which would be only for the save account. Interest calculation will not be there for the pay account. Okay. So we are going to have a account interface. Then we have a save account class, pay account class. Both the class will have the implemented function called getting a 12-digit account number. Then save account will have the deposit and then withdraw and the transfer functions. Pay account will also have what are the function will be pay account. Yeah, and the save account will have a function calculate interest after every year and add that interest rate to the balance. That's the thing. And pay account will have only function which is going to suppose when you want to pay some value to someone, for that you have a pay function to that. Okay. And then operations such as withdrawal, deposit, check balance, fund transfer can be performed. So save account will also have the function called check balance, fund transfer, and the withdraw and deposit. Similarly, pay account will also have withdraw, deposit, check balance, and transfer functionality. So can you do it now by yourself? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have a account interface which will have the common function which is their save account as well as pay account class. Then this save account and pay account will implement that account interface, and within that save account and pay account interface we have the save account will have some property, which is that property account number, then customer name, then customer address, then balance. So these are the properties would be the save account as well as pay account. Okay, and you are going to introduce the data setter for those properties of both save account and pay account class. Then for save account, you are going to create a 12-digit auto-generated number when you call it from the main function. So whenever, so in your interface, what you should have, in your interface, you should have the character interface, which will tell 1, create a account, 2, deposit, 3, withdrawal, 3rd, 4, transfer. Okay, like that you have a character user interface where when you choose 1, it is going to pop up a window. It will tell what type of account you want to create. So if you for 1 save account, for 2 pay account. So if you go for 1 save account, then it is going to enter your name, then enter your address, then enter how much balance how much amount you want to deposit for the first time while the account is getting created. So take that information and create a save account object and set the value with the save account. Similarly, if you want to create a pay account, select 2. So what is your name? What is your address? What is how much amount you want to deposit while creating the account? And then with the pay account option, you are going to create the account for that with 12-digit number, account number. So once the account got created, then for the in a user interface main window, if you choose to deposit, then it will tell you which account you want to deposit, account number, give the account number. Okay, then if you give the account number, how much amount you want to deposit, you give 2,000. Then it will call the deposit function of the save account and pay account, and it is going to deposit that amount. Okay, balance would be increased with the deposited amount. Are you clear? What is the expectation? It is like this.
Yes.
1 second. So what I'm trying to say over here, guys, see, you have a character interface. Okay, you have a character interface 1. Suppose 1 create account. Create account. Okay. Number 2, deposit. Suppose the UI of your application. Deposit. Number 3, withdraw. Withdraw. Number 4, suppose fund transfer. Fund transfer. Transfer. Anything else you should do? Create account, deposit, withdraw, fund transfer. Anything else is there? Okay. Now, suppose now at the end you are going to write enter your choice. Enter choice.
Check balance.
Yeah, a check balance. Yes, good. Enter 5 would be check balance. Excellent. You got a check balance. CHSC check balance. Okay. Now enter your choice. If I entered 1, so what it should do? If the enter choice is 1, it will go to the that means I want to create an account. When it is create an account, now it will ask you. When you choose 1, it will ask you enter your name. Enter name. So you entered name as Vaishnavi. Okay, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Then it will ask you enter your name, enter address, suppose. So these are the enter name, address. These are the attribute of the either save account or pay account. Enter address. Address. Then enter type of account. So this type of the account, enter type of the account. So it will be either save or pay. Okay. So now when after this information, name, address, and the account type, and enter balance, enter initial deposit. Initial deposit. Okay, deposit. So suppose you have given with the 2,000 rupees, you are opening the account. So when you all this information you are going to give it, all is going to get scanned, and it is going to be using setter. It is going to be set to a save account object, and it will be stored in your application. Then once that is done, then now suppose once that is done, again it will come to the main window. Again it will come to the main window, and you will tell enter your choice now. Now suppose you are going to enter choice check balance 5. When you go for check balance, what it will do? In the check balance, again it will ask you what. Okay. Here, once you have clicked that enter initial deposit, then when you hit enter, it's going to tell you your account number is. Your account number should be displayed. 1 second, guys. Yes, guys. So this is how now when you are going to create an account, it's going to generate an auto-generated account number that will tell to the user your account number is this. Now, when you go for this one, when you choose the option 5, so that means check balance. So sub menu of the option 5, it will tell you which account number balance you want to check. So enter account number. Suppose whatever account number I have created, for that I'll give 1 2 3 4 account number, and it is going to display the balance and all the thing, name, address, and balance, all the detail is going to display. Okay, so now when we choose the, again after displaying everything, again the main menu will come, and then again if I choose to deposit, so for to deposit, when you choose, then also it is going to ask you which account number you want to deposit, enter account number. So you give the account number 1 2 3 4, and then you enter amount to be deposited, give 2000, and then hit enter. So for that particular account, the balance would be added with that deposited amount. Similarly, withdraw, when you select 3, which account number you want to withdraw, give that account number, give the amount, it is going to be deducted from that account balance. Is it clear, guys? Can you do it now? Can you give it a try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is how the outcome. So you need to have an interface, you need to have a classes which is implementing that interface, and common functionality of the classes should be there in the interface. And then in the main function, account driver or account implementation, you are going to create an object of the save account, or you are going to create an object of the pay account, and through that object creation, you are going to set the data for the save account and pay account. Okay, and then you do display, or then you do as per these steps, you are going to perform the operation. Any other questions which you would like to discuss, guys? Okay, so can you try it out now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, there are few guys. IDBC will be trying by all of you, and the equals override would be done by Vaishnavi. No, equals override would be done by Jitesh, Divyanshu, Tejas, and Nikhil, and